My seedlings are about 9 days old. They don't look too bad. They're growing. I don't know what I did over here. I planted way too many. Thought I planted like a couple in each, but some of them have a lot coming up. Looks like I got a little onion starting. No bell peppers, no sweet peppers, no eggplant. None of that has started yet. Some kale, broccoli, lettuce, and Swiss chard. No spinach yet. Yeah, I just have them right in a little bay window. Here's the outside. And I got these 2 lamps from the basement. Probably not supposed to be using those, but just trying to keep them warm right here in the window. So I keep these on a couple, well, pretty much when I get up, I turn them on, and then about late afternoon, I'll turn them off. So yeah. Still got leaves to clean up and do something with all this, but we made some progress today with the garden. Today is April 4th, I believe, either the 4th or the 5th. So yeah, not too bad. So I've got strawberries in those 2. Brussels sprouts, onions, carrots in here, and I think sunflowers. I gotta look at my book. Radishes, onion, broccoli, pak choy, Swiss chard, cabbage. That's kind of all. I got some chives from last year. They sprouted up. They're over there in a lettuce container and that silver one. But that's it. Oh, flowers. I did plant some flowers in the 2 white buckets. So this is the start of the garden season for me.